Welcome to ChutneyPedia. Chocolate chutney. Yes, you heard it right. Chocolate chutney. I believe chocolate does indeed work in a chutney. Some might not agree, but when I tried this chocolate chutney for first time, it turned out amazingly indulgent. So I shared this with my neighbors and I ended up making this super soothing chutney again and again in every festive season. So, are you excited to know the recipe? Let's just get started. I know you died to prepare this amazing, delicious chutney. But before you do that, please like, share and subscribe ChutneyPedia. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Stay connected. See you soon.